If you are watching this video, you may be interested in learning how to unclog a toilet, right? We must first inform you that maintaining clean, unclogged toilets in the first place is the best course of action. Additionally, performing routine maintenance on all of your home's pipes is recommended. However, we may not always have the time to accomplish this. We'll show you 3 simple tips for unclogging a toilet. 1. Hot water. Be careful, using this method more than 3 times in a row could harm your pipes. It works best when the obstruction is due to only toilet paper or human waste. You can use shower water or boil it on the stove. Fill a bucket with 1/4 of an inch of hot water. To make the process more efficient, some individuals like to add a few drops of dish soap to the water. Fill the toilet with the soapy hot water. Wait 5 minutes for the grease to dissolve. After that, flush to get rid of the contents. 2. Vinegar and baking soda. This combination works wonders to clear clogged toilets. Pour the contents of a ½ cup of baking soda and vinegar mixture directly into your toilet. After a few minutes, simply flush. If you don't want to use vinegar and baking soda to unclog your sink, bleach is a great alternative. If you use bleach, wait a few hours before flushing. 3. Caustic soda. Use this strategy only if all other options have failed. Caustic soda is a powerful product that can harm your toilet and the pipes, so avoid doing it too often. Be careful, this chemical is hazardous and highly corrosive. Protect yourself from direct contact by wearing gloves and safety glasses. Consider the following. 2 tablespoons of caustic soda and 2 tablespoons of salt should be combined with a pail of water. After that, pour the contents into the toilet. Flush. Some people report getting comparable effects by flushing an entire bottle of Coca-Cola down the toilet. This has the advantage of posing fewer risks. Not bad, right? If your toilet is still clogged, calling for expert assistance is also a wonderful idea. Here are some additional tips. Do not flush diapers, wet wipes, sanitary pads, or chunks of soap into the toilet. They should always go in the trash. Keep an eye on little kids. They might mischievously throw things into the toilet. Try our suggestions, then let us know how it went. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.